Hi everyone, welcome. Today I share partial academic research on beneficial bacteria within your aquarium water column. Just the other day, I watched a very nice piece published by Dustin's Fish Tanks. It focused on plants within the aquarium. It was suggested that beneficial bacteria in the aquarium can be found on surfaces of items within the aquarium. Someone suggested that beneficial bacteria can be found within the water column. This I was hesitant to agree with or disagree with based on some readings I have done in the past. This position was rejected by another aquarium enthusiast whom suggested that whomever made this suggestion should do additional reading on the matter. While waiting on the published response, I grew impatient and did a bit of reading myself. I found out that beneficial bacteria can be found within the water column. This however is based on the hydrological cycle. In other words, how old the water is. This information was gleaned from an academic online article, published May 8, 2016. This article was geared at investigating beneficial bacteria or bacterial community composition in the water column of the deepest freshwater Lake Baikal as determined by next-generation sequencing. Written by Maria I. Garilkina, along with other co-authors. It should be noted, however, that researchers found that the depth of the water determined the variety of bacteria in water along with the type. I have always adopted the philosophy that where there are differences with reasoning one should double-check sources. It is with this armed evidence I agree, that water do have a percentage of beneficial bacteria. I have tested this concept or philosophy so as to ensure my commentary stands scrutiny. Using a new container, I removed old aged water from one of my ponds. I then placed a set of fish in this container. I was amazed to see fish looking really happy, having no sign of new container/aquarium syndrome. This is a new concept for me, thus a few more tests will have to be done to carefully arrive at a substantive conclusion and position. Thanks for stopping by. 1 Up.